Hello, we are here with our birthday gift hampers and our modern interpretation of them. We are looking at gifts for 30-year-olds today and what you can put into them, some of our professional top tips, and how you can do it yourself at home if you're looking to create your own birthday gift hamper.
These are birthday hampers for people that are in their 30s or have just hit their 30th. We're going to start with showing you the products that go into a birthday hamper, which would be typically associated with somebody in their 30s.
Yeah.
And that doesn't mean to say it's exclusively for somebody in their 30s. That's how we've designed them. We've designed them whereby they could be for somebody that is not maybe biologically in their 30s, but mentally they could be 70 or whatever. You know,
Yeah.
it's just age is just a number. So what I'm going to show in this video is when you get all of the products together, how do you ensure that you're creating the laughs and the smiles? How do you create that wow impact? So we have a range of the goods that would go in. Now, obviously, hampers. What goes into hampers?
Food
And drink. So we have a selection of food and drink producers.
Yep.
Snacks tend to be a little bit healthier, but you're going for chocolate cake, you're going for the birthday cake.
So what we've got here,
you're going for a few little things.
dark chocolate mulberries, dark chocolate mango, so still a prominent kind of chocolate sweet treat theme.
So what people want to know, Poppy, how to pack it.
How to pack it, let's see.
Right, how to pack it. A little bit of what is this stuff here? It's like shredded yellow paper.
Yep.
And it's straightforward. You just are looking for the things not to break, but throw them in. Well, not quite so sporadically and chaotically as that, but the thing that I'm trying to do is say to yourself, you're looking to create layers.
Yeah.
So out of all of the products that I had there, I'm thinking to myself, what's the top layer?
Yeah, so we've picked some of the nicest ones, the one that say happy birthday or lovely little giraffe, and we're gonna put them on top to create that kind of initial wow.
If you received that and you got that as a hamper and it was not your stereotypical cliched what you expected in a hamper, but you got that, what would you think?
I'd be happy. I like chocolate, and I think just the little giraffe finishes it. It's a gorgeous finish to the gift.
It's a bit more interesting, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a bit more fun. So what I've done is I've put the things in here which are associative and extra, and I'm creating two layers in a hamper. Okay, I don't want. There's nothing worse than opening up a hamper and it's full of filler. And you're going, I'm trying to hunt and find the product within it. And some companies will do this, whereby it'll just be like pellets in a box or whatever, and you try to find the things, or some of them will pack it very, very close together. There is an art to the pack. Once you've done it like that, then you just simply put the things into their position, like so. So that you have a color coordination. And the things can then overlap, particularly the packets and stuff like that. There we go. And then you've got the little giraffe into there. It's at that stage that what you've done is you've created a wow impact upon opening. Now, you can, of course, put more straw across in terms of the filling of it and whatever, if you so wish, or you can leave it as it is.
Yeah.
Personally, it depends upon the volume space when it comes up into here. I like to not have things rolling around, because as you deliver it, it has to arrive in the same sort of quality of format as it gets packed or whatever. So that would be the happy birthday chocolate. Overlaps the bigger one. The color goes well with it, but there you have it in there. So that would be how I would end up packing a fun 30th birthday hamper, rather than the usual type of hamper that you would sort of see available to purchase. I think it makes it more interesting if you're going around buying these things. As you can see, with a bit of thought, coordination, you can create a much more interesting hamper for your friends that are in their 30s or 30th 32, 33, any of those types of age groups, I tend to find it's a difficult age group to purchase a gift for.